Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see apartment 2J. This is a studio apartment located on the second floor of the building, which actually is the first floor you walk in on. Let's go on inside. On your left is your galley kitchen with a microwave, dishwasher, an electric oven and range, and a refrigerator. You'll have a nice large hall closet. In the living area, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture, a desk and a desk chair, a dresser, a bookshelf, and a full-size bed. One great feature of this building is the nice high ceilings and tall windows that let in lots of natural light in this north-facing apartment. Every unit is air conditioned and has a heating element. Another unique feature of our buildings, the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Let's finish up in the bathroom. All the bathrooms in Cityview are nice and large, with a full shower and tub combo, and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today for apartment 2J in Cityview. Call us today for availability.